Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use portable oxygen. First, familiarize yourself with your specific device model and its components. Always check your doctor's prescribed oxygen flow rate, which is crucial for effective therapy. Before use, ensure your portable oxygen concentrator is fully charged or plugged into an appropriate power outlet. This preparation guarantees uninterrupted oxygen delivery when you need it most, allowing you to maintain your active lifestyle with confidence and ease. To set up your portable oxygen device, begin by securely attaching the nasal cannula tubing to the oxygen outlet port. Next, carefully position the nasal cannula, ensuring it fits comfortably over your ears and that the prongs rest gently inside your nostrils. Once the cannula is in place, power on your device and adjust the oxygen flow rate precisely to the level your doctor has prescribed. This simple setup ensures you receive the correct amount of oxygen for your needs. For safe and effective use, always keep your portable oxygen device a minimum of 10 feet away from any open flames, sparks, or heat sources. Regular maintenance is key. Clean the air intake filter at least once a week to ensure optimal performance and prevent dust buildup. When not in use, store your portable concentrator in a dry, cool environment, protecting it from extreme temperatures. Following these guidelines helps prolong your device's lifespan and ensures your safety. When planning outings or travel, always remember to carry extra charged batteries to ensure continuous oxygen supply. If you're flying, it's essential to contact your airline in advance to understand their specific policies regarding portable oxygen devices. They often have particular requirements for in-flight use. And speaking of upgrades, check out the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier. This ensures you're always prepared and comfortable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.